Hey Mutant Nation, Big Ron Partlow here, and I just wanted to talk about proteins, protein powders, and what the differences are between some of the protein powders that Mutant manufactures and distributes. So first of all, I'm going to talk about Casein. Now Casein is part of our core series, and our core series are just some of the foundational building blocks of bodybuilding, and we're really proud of our Casein. And one thing you'll know about Caseins when you get into them, if you guys look in there, you can see how fluffy it is. Now a good Casein should look like that. Okay, it should be very fluffy. If I take a scoop of this, measure it out into here, you'll see what it looks like. See its consistency? So that mixes up really creamy. Now this is a long-acting protein. It takes a longer time to digest and get into your system. We call it slow acting. So this is ideal for before bed. That's a very popular time to use this product. Take it before bed. It takes a lot longer to absorb through your intestines into your bloodstream. You get almost more of a time release. So we would say this would be the slowest protein that you can drink. This would be the slowest protein you can drink. The next one up would be Pro 100. Now this is what we call a whey concentrate, a whey blend. So it says whey concentrate, whey isolate, and whey hydrolysate in it. It's very good quality whey. There's a lot of flavor packed in Pro 100. This can be a lot faster than Casein. Now Pro 100, you're gonna notice, comes out a lot different. Now this is a birthday cake flavor, so you see the little colorful bits in it. But see how it looks different than Casein side by side? That's because it's got more whey in it. So it's a little bit finer, a little bit lighter of a powder, mixes up a little thinner. And then finally, the fastest. So this is gonna be the fastest stuff to get into your system. So if you're looking for speed, IsoSurge is the route. This is Whey Isolate and Whey Hydrolysate combined. And we got our chocolate fudge flavor here. And if you look at the consistency of this powder, see the difference? It settles even flatter. It's a lot finer. You give it a little shake like that and it goes totally flat. You give that a little shake, it takes a while longer. And this, you give it a little shake and it still stays fluffy. So that's how the powders differ. So I'm just gonna mix up a scoop of each one of these in about a cup of water. This is what the Casein looks like. Now essentially, this is the vanilla Casein. It looks like a glass of skim milk. Now Casein has a lot of flavor because it's a little thicker and richer. So don't be surprised if that surprises you. There you go. That's our Casein. Fantastic protein to use before bed is a great example. So here's the Birthday Cake Pro 100. Now the Pro 100 is packed with a lot of packed with a lot of stuff to make it taste better. It's a real gourmet powder. You know, that's how we designed Pro 100 in the first place. So Pro 100 comes out pretty creamy itself. There you go. So that's a Pro 100. Just mixed with water. Birthday cake's unbelievable. Give that a try. And here's of course the Fudge Brownie IsoSurge. There you go. So that's the thinnest of the three. You can see that that's the most like water because it's an isolate. But we still find a way to pack it full of flavor. So that's the Chocolate Fudge Brownie IsoSurge. That's the Birthday Cake Pro 100. And that's the Vanilla Casein. 3 different protein options for you. We got slow, faster, and fastest. That's how we think of it at Mutant. We hope you guys learned a little bit about selecting your protein powders.